I am going to tell you about the last process of mode of transfer of heat, and the last process is radiation. Okay, so before starting this topic, I want to give you a quick revision about the conduction and convection. In the process of conduction, the two objects is in contact with each other, and the process of transfer of heat takes place by transferring the energy from one molecule to another molecule. In the process of convection, the process of transfer of energy takes place by the actual movement of molecule. But in both the process, the two bodies is in contact with each other. For example, in the process of conduction, when we keep the two body in contact, then only the molecule will transfer the energy. In the process of convection, when we keep the two bodies in contact, then only the transfer of heat take place. The transfer of heat from molecule by the process of actual movement of molecule will take place. But here in the process of radiation, it is not required that the two bodies should be in contact. Now let us understand what is radiation. Radiation, it is the direct transfer of heat from a hot body to a cold body having no contact. Keep this in mind that having no contact between them and without help of any medium. That means in the process of radiation, you need no medium for the transfer of heat. In conduction you require a medium, in convection you require a medium, but in the process of radiation there is no medium is required for the process of transfer of heat. So this process is called as radiation, in which the transfer of heat takes place from a hot body to a cold body without any medium, without any contact. For example, if you sit in sunlight, you can feel the warmth of sun. Okay, when you sit near a heater, near a room heater or near any hot object, then you can feel the warmth of that hot object. This is the process of radiation. You are not in contact with sun, but still you can feel the warmth of sun just because of the process of radiation. So there are certain things which you should keep in your mind for understanding this radiation, that all hot substance transfer heat by radiation, whether it is solid, whether it is liquid or whether it is a gas. Suppose I think all of you have seen a bonfire, or in a TV or anywhere you have seen a bonfire. In bonfire what will happen? The wood is burned. लकड़ियों को जलाया जाता है जिसकी हीट को आप महसूस कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो सॉलिड wood is in the form of solid which can provide you heat. Liquid, you can feel the heat which is rising from a hot water. So and gas, the sun rays comes in the form of gas. So this process occurs in all the material, whether it is in solid, liquid or a gas. Okay, अगर किसी को बुखार होता है तो हम उसको छू के ये अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं कि इस बॉडी का टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर से अलग है, और इस तरह से हमें आइडेंटिफाई होता है कि इस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन को फीवर है. ओके, सो इट इज ऑल्सो बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेडिएशन. नेक्स्ट, radiation needs no medium. Previously I have told you that the transfer of heat takes place in the process of radiation without any medium and without any contact. That means it does not require any contact between two bodies for the process of transfer of heat. And radiation, thermal radiations are called infrared radiation. Infrared radiation is also called as IR radiation. That means the radiations which you are receiving from sun, which you are receiving from a bonfire, which you are receiving from a heater, it is called as the infrared radiation. And it travels, the infrared radiation travels with the speed of light. And do you know what is the speed of light? It is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, that is 30 crore meter per second. That means the speed of sunlight travels with the speed of with 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That is why the sunlight reaches to Earth in 8.3 seconds with this speed, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or you can say 30 crore meter per second. So this is the basic concept about the radiation. So if you want to distinguish between conduction, convection and radiation, what you can say, in the process of conduction, the transfer of heat take place from by transferring the energy from molecule to molecule. In the process of convection, the process of transfer of heat takes place by the actual movement of molecule, and in the process of radiation, the transfer of heat take place without any medium, that means in the form of infrared radiation. Okay, now there are some consequences of the process of radiation. The first one is, it is more comfortable to wear white color clothes or light color clothes in summer and dark color clothes in winter. Students, you know very well that the dark colors are the good absorber of heat, especially black color. All the black bodies are the good absorber of heat. So if we will wear light color cloth or white color cloth in summer, so light colors are the poor absorber of heat. So we can feel, we will not feel the warm, we will not feel the hot as compared if we wear a dark color cloth. And in opposite we can say that we should wear dark color clothes in summer, because dark colors are the good absorber of heat. डार्क कलर हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, इसीलिए झाड़ों में उनको पहनना अच्छा होता है और गर्मियों में पहनना अच्छा नहीं होता है. So next one is, the electric room heater is having a polished surface so that it can radiate the heat. The polished surface always radiates the heat in a large amount. Okay, that is why the electric room heater is always having a polished surface. Bottom of cooking utensils are painted specially black, because black is a dark color and dark colors are the good absorber of heat, so that the food can be cooked more effectively and sooner. Okay, the food can be cooked very fast if you will paint the bottom of cooking utensils with black color. So students, it is all about the chapter heat. Students, I am giving you a task. You all have to find the difference between heat and temperature. I am going to give you some hints that how heat is different from temperature. One difference I am telling you, that the heat is a form of energy which give you a kind of sensation, okay, and which always flows from a hotter body to a colder body. Heat always flows from a hotter body to a colder body, whereas the temperature is the degree of measurement of heat. That means heat is a kind of sensation and temperature is the measurement. हीट एक सेंसेशन है और हीट को मेजर करने के लिए टेम्परेचर का यूज किया जाता है. अब आपको कम से कम 2 डिफरेंस हीट और टेम्परेचर में निकालने हैं और अपनी कॉपी पे लिखना है. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास.